I promise that what I am about to share with you can actually help you become a YouTuber much easier. How do I know that? Because I myself have wanted to be a YouTuber for years upon years. I have tried and failed, time after time. But it wasn't until I tried this one way that I didn't even know was a way, because no one ever talks about it and has ever talked about it that I know of. And the best part about it, it's completely stress-free, at least from what I have experienced. And also at the end of this video, I will be sharing a way for you to get access to absolutely everything you could ever need for being a successful YouTuber. So, where do we begin? Basically, there's 5 levels of being a YouTuber, and a lot of people try to start on around level 3. I was one of them, so was my wife. We both got burnt out with editing our first videos, and we didn't even upload the first videos because we got burnt out trying to be like a level 3. So that's a big no-no. But what I didn't think about was there being even a level 0, just entering into the YouTube world of uploading videos. And I didn't know how to go from level 0 to level 1 until I did it in the easiest way possible. And that begins with YouTube Shorts. To prepare for level 1 YouTube, start uploading shorts, and this is number 1, step 1, start uploading shorts of something that you do every day without showing your face. That is, if you don't want to show your face. I have an example here. This was a channel that I made. It's called Macy Cakes, and this is my brother's dog that I've made multiple short videos on. All these shorts are, 30 seconds, a minute long, and it even has my high-pitched voice when I talk to Macy the dog. And that was my first step, that transition, just uploading shorts without even showing my face. Then, once you're comfortable making shorts, whether that's after a few days or a few weeks, for me it was about a week, then begin uploading short videos. This is step number 2. Upload these short videos that show your face while reading a script, if scripts are what you like to use for talking. I myself like to use them so that I don't forget anything that I want you guys to know. And also, if you plan on doing a faceless YouTube channel, I don't see a need for you to show your face, but just start making short videos, not shorts. And my example of that is right here. I only did this for 2 days. I created another channel, Financial Terms Explained. That's me right there, and it's just 1.5 minute, 2 minute long videos of explaining financial terms simply so that people can understand. But after you start doing that and begin to be more comfortable with uploading regular videos, you then want to, step 3, start uploading longer videos of the topics that you actually want to cover on your YouTube channel that you want to have for long term. My example here is literally this video on this channel. This is my step 3 of me getting into longer form videos, and I'm loving it so far. It's just awesome being able to seamlessly and smoothly transition from making shorts, then short videos, and now longer videos. Completely stress-free, and this is step 3. But once you're to that point, you're well on your way to becoming a successful YouTuber. But there is one thing to remember that will help you get views and subscribers, and it is this. People on YouTube care if you're able to help them, whether that's helping them learn something or helping them be entertained. So no matter what, you need to provide some sort of value. And now, since you feel more ready to begin YouTube and start providing value, please head to the link in the description. There you will find Matt Parr's YouTube course that has just about everything you could imagine to help you start off on the right foot for YouTube and have the most success. I have the course myself, and it truly is everything you could ask for and more.